Inspirational, Inspirational. Short. Moral, Moral. Story. The little boy who was cursed, Cursed. One day, not so long ago, there lived a very angry little boy. Everything in life made him angry. The more angry he became, the more frustrated, Frustrated, he became. And the more frustrated, Frustrated, he become. Well, that just made him more angry. He began to hurt the people around him who loved him the most. With each new insult and angry outburst, Outburst, he was hurting those that care. He was not seeing the consequences, consequences of his anger. He could not understand that his actions were causing others pain and hurt. He was too consumed, consumed, by his own rage, rage, to even notice. After a particularly Particularly bad outburst outburst his mother had sent him to walk in the woods and think about things until he had calmed calmed down down. It was on this day, walking in the woods, that he met a met which that witch was about to change his life for the better. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.